Hello, Cothern Cards community. Thanks for stopping by to watch this Innistrad Midnight Hunt set booster pack opening video. If you enjoy it, hit thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And if you really want to help me out, hit that notification bell. Starting out with a Wrenn and 7. Yes! Wait, it's an art card. Neonate's Rush, Arrogant Outlaw, Bat Whisperer, Blessed Defiance, Vivisection, Necrosynthesis, Harvest Tide Infiltrator, Gale Drifter, Burly Breaker, Catilda Dawnheart Prime is our rare, Foil Arrogant Outlaw, and an ad card. Boo!